everybody, welcome back to the Chico and Papa Show. I'm Chico.
And I am Puppy. Dun dun dun! How you doing?
Pretty good.
Just picked you up from school. We're in mid-March in New York, and what did we have just recently?
Snow.
A big, huge snowstorm. It snowed for like 2 days, right? Oh, here we go. You're gonna break that seat for sure.
No.
Big snowstorm, right? Didn't it snow for like 2 days?
Yeah.
And then the last day it was kind of like icy. You know? Yuck. I think it's over though. It's gonna be like in the 40s, high 40s for 3 or 4 days. I think it's all gonna melt. And then we'll have flooding. And our roofs will leak. What do you think about that? You don't care? What else are you doing? Anything?
No.
Just wrestling. Nothing else. No other sports right now. That's good. I only have to drive you one place. Sometimes. Rocco's back. Did he call you yet?
No.
He called me.
What did he say?
He said, how come Chico's not calling me?
Because he's a loser.
It's not very nice. So are you going to call Rocco?
No.
He and his sister want to talk to you about a job.
No thanks.
They want to hire you.
To do what?
Makeup.
No thanks.
Rocco got Botox. Wait till you see him. His lips are like this big.
Interesting.
Just like his mother. So, you ready? Do you know what they are? Think about it. I'm not gonna give you time. What are we doing today, Chico boy?
We are doing the new KFC chicken wrap review.
Now these have been out a little while. I thought they were only like a couple dollars a piece, but we got there and they're like $3.50 a piece. To me, they look like little snack wraps like McDonald's used to have on the commercial.
Smaller than
But they have a meal that was $7.99 that came with fries and a drink. So we decided
and
to get
two wraps.
Yeah. So we decided to do that because it seemed cheaper. They had a classic and they had a spicy slaw or something.
I think that's
They didn't give us the receipt, but it was like slaw, spicy slaw. I don't like coleslaw whatsoever. Who is that?
making a snowball to throw at his kid.
Oh, as long as he's not going to throw it at us. Is that your principal?
No, I don't think so.
Uh-oh.
I kind of want to watch him hit his
Okay,
kid.
we got to wait a second.
Oh.
Oh, he wasn't really trying
I
to
wanted
do
him to
it.
hit his son in the face.
He's yelling at him.
Now he's obstructing traffic.
Really weird that the father's not watching him more closely. Get off the bus. Look at all these cars going by. He said, walk out in the middle of the road. He told him, don't walk in the snow. Walk out in the middle of the road where all the cars are.
Wow. Little Jeffro.
Here it
Hit him.
Hit him.
Please.
Oh, he's not even trying. All right, can we get back to work? He's not even trying to hit his kid. But the kid tries to hit him.
All right, whoop-de-doo-dah.
All right, so I was asking you, the second one is spicy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Spicy slaw.
Spicy slaw.
Now, do you think they're gonna be, oh, French fries. These look good. You know what these look like? They look like the battered. You can buy these in the store.
No, I don't know if we can really cut these in half.
They look small, like I said. Now, let's start with a classic. Which one's the classic?
The one that doesn't say spicy.
Hey! I don't have my contact lenses. Oh my gosh. $3.50 for this?
Micro.
Oh my goodness, I wish I had a
Tape measure.
tape measure.
A ruler.
Can you show the audience that? It looks like a chicken finger. Just like I said, it's gonna be like snack wrap, right? How much does snack wraps cost?
I think it was $2.50.
Before they got rid of them,
$3.
right? They got rid of them like 4 years ago.
And they used to have that big one for like $6.
Oh yeah, I used to like those big wraps.
All right, I'll take the bottom half.
So this one here? No, thanks. So this looks like a do nothing ho hum. What's in it? Nothing.
A pickle and some mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise. Rubbery. One chicken finger for $3.50.
I don't know how this is worth $3.50.
I'm not impressed with this at all. If they called it like a snack wrap, you would expect it to be just a ho-hum thing.
Not even. I don't even know if it's a snack wrap.
It's tiny.
And why not spice it up with the sauce? Why just mayonnaise, pickle,
No, but they should put some lettuce or something on it, right?
cheese, maybe a ranch, maybe.
There's nothing. Look, there's a pickle
And some mayonnaise.
and some mayonnaise. Whoop-dee friggin' do.
It's like a micro sandwich.
Chicken sandwich. I mean, I like you micro.
Speak for yourself.
Speak for my father.
Not impressed with that one.
We're gonna rate the first one.
$3.50. If you got that for me for a meal, oh, I'm gonna stop and get Poppy one of those wraps. I'd be a little disappointed.
I think I'm gonna take $1 off. I'm gonna do $2.50. That's my review.
2.5? It doesn't taste bad.
Maybe I'll give it. That's $3.50. I'll give it a 3.
I'll agree with you. I'll give it like a 3.5 because
Put this in my cup holder.
it doesn't taste bad, but it's kind of pathetic.
They could spice this thing up so much. Like they could do a massive, nice chicken tender. They could do like.
If I owned the place or I was like one of the board member people, I would want to be like, blow the place away, right? You'd want to be like, we're going to do a wrap. Let's do a wrap. Their lemonade is awful sweet. Though it woke me up.
No, it off me. Ew.
Looks a little bit bigger.
Oh, don't screw it up there, Jeffro.
You going to eat it?
Ooh. Stench.
Looks a little bit bigger. Shouldn't be.
Only by like a centimeter of an inch.
I don't see a lot in there. Look it.
Don't spread it away.
I know, but look it. There's nothing in there. There's a pickle and a little dinky bit of slaw.
Slaw. My name's Mike Tyson. I want the slaw.
Hold on.
Didn't give me much slaw.
Take your pick. You're gonna give me. How am I supposed to eat this?
With your mouth?
Look it. I can't even wrap it. Hey!
Wah, wah, wah.
Very, very. What's the word?
Mid.
The chicken tastes good. It's just pathetic. Little tiny bit of slaw.
It's better than the other one, but I give this a 3.7.
Yeah, I was gonna say like a 3.5 or a 4. I can taste a little spice now. I like the chicken, but
Eat some of mine.
it's just very disappointing. Right?
Yeah. I didn't try. They just threw chicken and then.
That's what I don't get. It's like the other day we did that tater tot thing from Domino's, and it's like they don't think about it. They throw these things together so fast and put them out there, and they suck.
Why the light?
Why did the light go on? We have a ghost in the truck.
It's when you hit the steering wheel. Stop. Wait for it to go. Wow. Or did the door open?
How would the door open?
Maybe somebody didn't shut it all the way. And a little gust of wind.
Oh, brother.
Ready? Hit it again.
Ha ha ha! Not impressed, KFC.
L. Chicken.
What does that mean?
Wrap.
L.
Loser chicken sandwich.
Loser chicken sandwich. Not impressed, and I'm sticking to
I'm
my
surprised
review.
you don't like it then.
Why?
Don't forget what it's like to say.
Enjoy your life
And your food.
every day. Ciao. Cowabunga! Brother, not impressed. Look at the little bit of coleslaw. You look tired.